One of the things that's really important, I think, in terms of reducing carbon footprint is some of those quick wins, some of the obvious ones that maybe we don't always consider. And the one that I always think of is I walk into a factory and I always look at the ceiling and you'll see quite often a rotating fan extracting air. And usually they'll have a louver there to control the airflow. So it's going at the same speed consistently. And you're probably using more energy than you need to. So, in many cases, we'd advise replacing that with something that can control the speed of the fan, like a variable speed drive, for example, and that's a quick win. I think the other areas that of concern are older machines. So you'll find there's a lot of factories out there that are very proud to be running their machines that are 30, 40, 50 years old in some cases, not connected to anything, don't have communication connectivity. However, there are ways of optimizing those machines by putting small, low-cost devices. It doesn't have to be expensive. And so, for example, we've been working with Ian with Expert Rule with a Siemens, what we call a nano controller. It's called a Logo, and it's just a few inputs, a few outputs, about £100. You can gather the data from sensors off the machine, and then working with Ian with Expert Rule, you can actually analyze that data to optimize the machine to reduce energy costs, increase productivity, etc. So it doesn't have to break the bank to start on that journey to reduce your carbon footprint. The other thing that we've not been very good at in the UK is sharing best practice. There are lots of companies out there doing these things already, and I think we need to get better at doing those sorts of things to say, well, look, we've done this before. This is with the savings. You can do exactly the same without reinventing the wheel. And I think that's really important.